saw his paws.
Fortunately for us, all these species exist in one isolated place. Can you read them all?
All right, today we got a beefy projector, very strong projector. You got the power button here. You got the nice heavy duty projector with an IR connection in the front if you ever want to remote from the front or the back. And also included in the back, the IR connection, the headphones if you want, or if you want additional speakers, you could set that up. You got your HDMI and your USB type A if you have a thumb drive, you want to have your movies, you want to transfer it, and then an easy power connection. Now, there's plenty of ventilation. This is a lot portable. It has for if you want to set up in a tripod, you could set it up on the bottom of it. It has a little kickstand here that kicks out, if you guys can see that. So plenty of room for kicking up. If it's not leveled or something, you can always use that as a little kickstand. I like the hidden little part in here too. So we're gonna set this up right now. There's a couple of ways you could watch movies in here and play games. You can focus with the actual controller. If you guys can see that, I'm gonna focus in. There it is. And it's asking us that there's a connection in there right now. That's okay. Say we could dismiss it for now. And we could focus more if you want. It's up to you. You control the controller here and you can focus in until you feel you adjust it enough. And it's really sharp. This projector out of the box, it comes with a bunch of features in here. There's home, movies, and TV shows, apps, and also library, all right? So all this is on the top, if you guys can see that. Everything's automatically. And right now, when you go apps, you could download directly from Google Store your apps, your Netflix, your YouTube, your Prime, your Disney, your HBO, you know, it comes with a lot of different features out of the box. This is an outstanding program. It does have Joy built in, so it's going to make it easier to run all this stuff. And of course, we could always go to library, and then if you want, you could always connect to your, if you go home, let me go home. If you go home, you could always connect to your HDMI if you want. So that's a directly on the controller. You could set it up to connect HDMI by going to the settings, or if you want, if you get lost, you can always come home to one. There's a setting button. If you go to settings, there's a settings button, and this is going to be connecting to all your networks if you want to set it up. So right now we could set up a Bluetooth speaker, or we could set up our imaging projector to other sources, audio sources. But right now we're going to set up our projector to our Wi-Fi. So, all right, we just connected a USB, and right now it's giving us an option to connect the USB. So we're going to go open, and from right here you can play your movies and other stuff. So we're going to go local, and you could play your music, your movies, and anything you program in this projector. If you ever want to control it from your phone and display from your phone, you're going to have to go to your apps in here, right? So once you go to apps, under apps, if you guys can see it, it's right here where it says Mirrorcast, right? Where you guys see it, Mirrorcast, go in there. And then you're going to have to set up from your phone, your actual system. So on your phone, you have to say smart display, smart view. You hit smart view and you have to find the actual connection. I'm going to show you how loud this thing is.
Unit 12, acknowledging dispatch. Already in pursuit.
All right, I'm not going to put the audio, but I just want to show you how I'm getting really close to the actual projector screen so you guys can see how good of the quality it is. We're running at 4K right now, and this is fantastic quality. I mean, this is really, really good. Out of the box, audio, Bluetooth available, plenty of features, applications, and so forth. So let me show you the darkness and how loud it is running with no audio. You can hear the fans, but it's to a minimum. Really light. The projector is really, really bright on this one. Maintenance, just make sure you clean the lens once in a while. And one push of a button. Remote control. If you lose the remote control, you can still control some of the features. You have options to connect your Bluetooth, wireless. I like all the features out of the box. You really don't need anything else but the system to run. and the wireless to play the videos and audio. So
You can't put that in the video.
I'm gonna put that in the video. Look at this. I'm sitting down here. We do karaoke, outdoors, 4K, watching a beautiful atmosphere. Look at that.